Good afternoon. I am Muhammad Hussain, OM Guru and General Secretary of Youth Members at Eastern University, Bangladesh. Today my presentation topic name is OSM experience shared in last year. This is my first journey map related. Youth Members Bangladesh Summit 2030 at Eastern University Permanent Campus venue. And next, on award the most sharing post and mention the competition we held by Youth Members at Eastern University Bangladesh to promote Youth Members Bangladesh Summit 2023. And my left side is University Deputy Director MD Atikur Jamal Imam sir. Now he is Guru and he present this hall. This training provided by OM Guru Brazil Singh Ritik and at Jamia University IS department, and I assist him. I have done many OSM Guru networking training and this certificate. And next slide. Outstanding performance in the Youth Members Regional Validation Hub Bangladesh Camp 2023. This came 3 or 4 months in the area of Netrokona division in Bangladesh. This is my past mapathon in Bangladesh, Open State Bangladesh Mapathon 2024. Climate change challenge. This my group name is Pindover, and this position is 4th position, and this point 57.67%. And this is my OSM account, verified and public batch. And now I am on Guru exam pass last weeks.